Hi, my name is Laura McCoy, and I am a certified business analyst through IIBA. I often get asked, is the Entry Certificate of Business Analysis, or ECBA, through IIBA worth it? My answer is yes. In many cases, it's very, very valuable. Now, first, let me talk about why you might consider ECBA certification. ECBA certification is a great option for those who are just graduating college. It is an excellent way for college graduates to differentiate themselves amongst their peers when they're looking for opportunities that leverage that skill set. And that can be in any roles that engage in business analysis. It doesn't mean that the title has to say business analyst. Also, individuals who have been in a career path that could naturally lead them to business analysis, or maybe an individual is wanting to grow in a different direction than what they've done. ECBA is also great for those in the middle of their work career who are looking to shift officially into a role that involves change enablement. So it's an excellent opportunity for getting your feet wet and adding a credential that can differentiate you from your competition when you're looking for moving into that career or just some growth in understanding of business analysis. Now, the value it can bring to either the candidate for certification or the organization that may look to hire that individual is it proves out a dedication to professional growth. Because let's be honest, certification paths aren't typically easy, and this one is no exception. But it does show that you're dedicated and are willing to put in the time to become better at the function, and that's always attractive to employers. It shows a commitment to the profession of business analysis, an interest in doing things as best practice as possible for a given environment. It also helps prove out that an individual understands at least the basic theory and knowledge of business analysis. Now, the certification level does not prove executing capability. It does not test you on your ability to apply the thinking. It just validates that you have proven understanding of the theory. But that's a huge step, because much of what we do with business analysis is understanding the basics so that we don't have to stop and think about the basics. It also, for the individual, so the things I've mentioned before, those are values that an organization can see in an individual that has or is working towards holding this certification. But for the candidate, it helps you stand apart. It helps you stand out in the crowd. You, compared to an individual with a similar education background or a similar work history, having the ECBA will very likely get a higher consideration for a potential job opportunity. For those that have engaged in business analysis for a bit, you may find value in some of the higher certification levels if you qualify for them. This is another thing that adaptive resources can help you uncover and understand so that you can find the best level for you. Watch out for future videos to explain what those levels are and help you understand how to qualify for them so that you can attain the level of professional certification and recognition that you deserve. So if any of this sounds interesting to you, please go to Adaptive's website at adaptiveus.com and check out the packages associated with helping us help you on your path to achieving the certification. Through that website, you can find contact information for myself as well as many other individuals associated. Through that website, you can find ways to contact us if you have further inquiries or require additional information. You can also find me on LinkedIn, Laura McCoy, CBAP, and pose any questions you have that I may not have answered in this short video. I look forward to the possibility of you joining our profession, and I wish you all the best success in your career path.